Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. I'm so excited because today I am actually working with a company that I love so much. I've been testing it out for the last month and they have some eco-friendly cleaning products, and if y'all are new to my channel, then you do not know, but I love doing speed clean videos here on my channel and I love having a clean house. Obviously, if you've are tried and true and a subscriber of mine and have been for quite some time, you have seen my speed clean videos. They're so much fun to film. And like I said, we just moved into a nice big house, so I'm constantly cleaning. And I'm going to be testing out some of Clinomics. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. They're some of their laundry products and one of their stain removing products, which, y'all, I'm just telling you this right now, I absolutely love everything. So today's video is going to be kind of more on the smaller end of cleaning, but I just wanted to test these products out and really tell you how they work, show you how they work. And I'm obviously telling you right now, I think they're absolutely amazing and I do plan to continue to use them. So let me show you right here what the products that I'm using are, and then I'll show you guys them in action. Alright, so I'm going to start off with taking all of the blankets off my bed. As you can see, I do have white sheets, and I'm going to be doing the whites first. I used to never separate my whites, but now I realize that I like doing it so much more than just throwing it in with every other color. So I'm using these Oxy Laundry Booster tablets. Now these are just for whites. You're going to throw this in with your laundry sheet, which I'll show you in just a moment. These help fight stains, neutralize odors, and obviously brighten your whites. They smell really good, and you get a whole pack like this. And obviously for one load, you only need one. Then, like I mentioned, I'm going with the Earth Wash, the eco-friendly detergent sheets. These are so cool. There's 32 sheets in this awesome bag, which I'll show you in just a moment. So if you're doing a full load, you'll obviously use a whole sheet, or if you're doing half a load or hand washing, you can just tear it right in half, and they do tear very easily if you need to do that. I just love this packaging right here because it just keeps it like nice and fresh. And I'm just gonna grab that and the little tablet, and then head on over to the wash machine, throw those in there, and then turn that puppy on. Alright, since the load is done, I'm going to throw them in the dryer. I grabbed about 2 of these dryer sheets, and these smell so good, y'all. I really enjoyed these, and like I said, I've been using these for about a month now, and they are my go-to.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you'd been waiting for.
Alright, so next up I want to show you the little spots right here on this carpet. In this new house, this carpet, y'all, I don't know why people install carpet this color, because I just feel like you can see how dirty things get super quick. So here are a few spots that need to just be obviously scrubbed off, and I'm so excited to try the Earth Lovers Stain Removing Kit. Obviously in this video is the first time I tested it out, and this is unscented, which is obviously totally fine because I didn't need it to be scented. But I'm going to show you right here. It does come with the stain bar, the Earth Lover stain bar, and then it comes with the little brush. So I poured some water on the floor, and when I rubbed this product into the ground, you do not need to use as much as I did. Obviously my mistake for the first time, but I'll show you how amazing this worked. And this bar is going to last you so long. That's what I love about this product so much. And as you can see here, I just, dumped a little water and then rubbed the bar right on top of it. And I could tell that it got the stain out like right away, but you do not need to use that much of the stain bar. Just like lightly rub it on the floor and then use the brush to kind of activate it to get the stain out, and then just dry it up with a washcloth. And then I'll show y'all results the next morning of what it looked like after it dried a bit.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me.
Alright, this was the next morning. As you can see, the spots are gone. You can see little spots that obviously still need to dry, but that came up off the carpet very easy. And I highly recommend this. I have a few other spots I'm going to use it on, and I continue to use it, especially if my kitty cat gets sick or they use the bathroom on the floor or something, this will be a great product to use. So I do also need to clean the blankets off the couch that I use for my home daycare, and I'm going to go ahead and use the same products that I used earlier. And I just love them so much, y'all. Like I mentioned, I've used these for a little over a month now, and I highly recommend them. All right, I do have a coupon code for y'all, and it'll be linked down below, so definitely go check them out. Like I said, I absolutely love them. I can't wait to try more of their cleaning products, so stay tuned for that, because I'm going to hopefully be able to test out some of their bathroom cleaning products and stuff for the kitchen as well. So stay tuned. If you want to see more speed clean videos, be sure you hit that thumbs up button and comment down below and say, hey, I've missed filming here on YouTube, but I plan on doing so much more because I have so many awesome video ideas. Also, be sure you check out my TikTok and my Instagram. I've been posting more reels and more TikToks as well. And yeah, come over there and say hey. So I will see y'all in my next one.